We've all been there. You're right in the middle of an important day, whether you're out making deliveries, managing your small business, or just trying to survive back-to-back classes, and your phone hits that dreaded 10% battery warning. It completely ruins your momentum, right? Well, today we're looking at a highly dependable, affordable smartphone that claims to set the tone and eliminate battery anxiety for good with its all-day power. This is the HONOR X7e. Before we dive into exactly why this could be the ultimate daily driver for the common man, hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you never miss a techbeatph.com review. Alright, let's get this unboxed. The team at techbeatph love it when a brand gives you everything you need right out of the gate. Popping the lid off, the very first thing we see is the HONOR X7e itself. And I have to say, this specific black color variant we have here looks incredibly sleek and professional. It's got a premium vibe without the premium price tag. Digging deeper into the box, we have our SIM ejector tool, some paperwork you probably won't read, and the trusty 45W charger. But here's the kicker, folks. The review unit actually comes with a protective case right inside the box. I always give massive props to brands that include a case because you can slap it on and immediately start using the phone worry-free. Oh, and a quick pro tip. Make sure to remove that annoying sticker at the back of the phone before you start filming your own content so you can fully appreciate the design. Now, let's talk about the absolute elephant in the room, and I mean that in the best way possible. The HONOR X7e packs a monstrous 7,500 mAh ultra long-lasting battery. For context, most phones in this price bracket barely cross the 5,000 mAh line. This is a massive leap in capability. What does this mean for your daily use? If you are an app-centric worker like a rider relying on GPS all day, a teacher juggling online modules, or a student constantly on the go, you can literally charge it only once a day and never worry about battery life again. This is literal all-day power. It handles up to 31 hours of YouTube or 13 hours of continuous PUBG Mobile. And when you finally do manage to drain this beast, the 45W charging gets you back on your feet quickly. You essentially just charge it once at night and you never have to think about your battery life again during the day. It's that simple. Let's be real, life happens. Phones slip out of pockets, they get knocked off tables, and sometimes they just gracefully dive out of our hands for no apparent reason. Usually, a drop means a shattered screen and a very expensive repair bill. But the HONOR X7e is built like an absolute tank, boasting a 5-star SGS Premium Performance certification of drop and crush resistance from Switzerland. What does that fancy certification actually mean for you and me? It means this affordable yet hardcore phone features 360-degree anti-drop protection and can survive accidental drops from a maximum height of 1.8 meters. You could literally drop this from head height and it's going to survive. Whether it's slipping out of your bag while you're rushing to work or your toddler gets a hold of it and decides to play fetch, the ultra-strong body gives you pure peace of mind. Add in the all-angle water resistance and you have a device perfectly suited for the daily chaos of a busy Filipino. Now, big batteries and tough screens are great, but the HONOR X7e also brings some serious smarts to the table with its instant AI button. This isn't just a basic power button. It is a dedicated shortcut featuring smart suggestions that make your life easier. With just a short press, you can bring up the AI mobile assistant. Need to quickly turn on your flashlight in the dark, check your calculator, or take a screenshot of a receipt, just map it to the button. It even gives you quick access to Google Lens and sound mode toggles. In my testing, I mapped it to open my most used work apps instantly, completely streamlining how I interact with the device. Just remember to hop into the camera settings and activate the watermark so everyone knows what beast of a phone you're using when taking photos. And that brings us to the most important part of the video, my take. We judge tech based on how well it executes its promises and how much value it brings to your daily routine. The HONOR X7e promises extreme durability and limitless endurance, and it genuinely delivers because of its practical, common-sense features, incredibly tough build, and that insane 7,500 mAh battery. We are officially awarding the HONOR X7e the techbeatph Silver rating. It is a brilliant, highly dependable daily driver. Now, for the best part, the price. The HONOR X7e officially has an SRP of 14,999 for the 6GB RAM and 256GB storage model. Do not miss out on this absolute steal. Grab yours now through the links in our description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Fluffy for techbeatph.com, and as we always say, keep grinding and stay tech savvy.